I like Monopoly. It's always good for Monopoly. I'm gonna play by myself.
Guys, it's a new Monopoly.
Jamil likes Monopoly Empire.
Hmm?
What's that one?
The one with golden players.
Golden players?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have it?
Mm-mm.
Oh.
We'll buy it.
Monopoly has the silver ones. Monopoly Empire has golden ones.
How much does it cost?
I don't know. Somebody has it. And somebody that's named Miro plays it instead of us two. I go time and then.
We like to play Monopoly now than more.
And
Like
then with
right?
the guy who brought that Monopoly Empire
was Jackson.
Wait, what's his name?
Jackson.
What's his
She
last
still
name?
wants to look out. I don't know.
It was Jackson Owens? Okay. Wait,
You didn't tell me his last name.
was his hair like right here?
His hair was straight.
Down?
Straight.
Up?
Straight. His
Okay.
hair
It
straight.
was down. It was going down.
Did I have another slice that I just
It's
had?
kind of like your hair.
No?
Yeah, you know.
No?
I
His
know.
hair's not curly.
It's not the same Jackson that you're thinking, right? That's another guy.
Wait, you know him?
Hmm?
Do you know him? No, the Jackson.
Jackson that goes to your school?
It's Jackson that goes to, sometimes goes to the kids club.
Or you can
No.
just call it the gym. It's really a gym.
The gym is called LA Fitness.
Mine's called PE.
What?
At school.
We have that.
At school.
You know what PE stands for?